in thanking the CNG for this very, very auspicious and momentous opportunity. It has always been my dream and personal aspiration to champion the cause of mobilizing the youth of Nigeria and raising their consciousness so that they will assume their historic role and responsibility in terms of taking nationalistic and patriotic position on issues affecting their country. Increasingly, the leadership of the country is slipping from the hands of Nigerian youth. When Nigeria started, the leaders that assumed the mantle of leadership at the departure of the colonialists were relatively young, and they had very clear vision, and they gave their best to lead the country in a manner that made Nigerians proud. But with the passage of time, the youth have started disappearing from the corridors of decision making, from the corridors of power, and power has remained for so long in the hands of the very, very elderly, very, very frail, very, very weak, very, very docile, very, very inactive, very, very unconscious group of cadres that have been misleading the country and derailing it from where it used to give us pride and sense of purpose. Therefore, the only way to go back to the drawing board is to ensure that we mobilize the energetic, the conscious, the active, the patriotic, the nationalistic stream of the youth to come back to the front of the struggle to assume leadership of Nigeria. But assuming this leadership will entail a lot of responsibility. Responsibility that will guarantee that by the time you begin to manifest the good qualities in you, it will not take you time to get the entire Nigerian population behind you. And this can only be done if right from the onset you have been made to appreciate why you have to cultivate certain attributes. Among these attributes, the most important is discipline. Discipline. Without discipline, no society achieves progress.